Warm welcome, students of this academy. Chapter 14, Verb Simple Tenses. Okay, so open your book and see the page number 64. So this is a page number 64. So I hope all students have opened your book. Okay, so here chapter name is Verbs Simple Tenses. Okay, so what is the simple tenses? Simple tenses means if we talk if we talk about in daily routines, if we talk about our like any topic, okay, like fact, so that time we have to use only simple tense, right? So let's see what is the simple tense. So read these sentences. I write a letter. That is this is a present time कि मैं एक letter लिखता हूँ, okay, ता हूँ. So it's indicate to the simple tense, clear, like present indefinite. So present definite is called a simple tense. Okay, so read this sentence. I write a letter. That is a present time. So this is a simple tense, simple present. Okay, so that is a I write a letter. This is a simple present. I wrote a letter yesterday. This is a past time. So it's a past indefinite. This tenses belong to past indefinite. Okay, that means simple past. I shall write a letter tomorrow. That means मैं कल एक पत्र लिखूंगा. That is a future time. It's represent to the future. Okay, so it's a future indefinite. Clear? So first sentence is represent to present time. Second sentence is represent to past time, and third sentence it represent to future time. Clear? So the words write, wrote, shall write are verbs are show three periods of time को क्या कर रहा है, ये शो कर रहा है. जैसे कि पहले में राइट है, राइट का पास्ट में क्या बन गया, सेकेंड फॉर्म लगती है रोट. ओके, अब फ्यूचर में फर्स्ट ही फॉर्म लगेगी. ओके, बट इन द present time it's depend on the subject. So here is a subject I, so that's why we have to use here verb first form. If we hear third person like he, she, it, any name, so that time we have to use here like writes. She writes a letter. Okay, वह एक पत्र लिखती है. So she writes a letter. Ram writes a letter. Okay, you write a letter. They write a letter, like this. Okay, so the words write, wrote, shall write are verbs and show three periods of time को क्या करता है, show करता है. That time, that is present time. The time that was, that is a past time. The time that will be, that is a future. Okay, so the use of a verb to show the time of an action or event is called is tense. So there are three tenses: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Clear? So simple present tense or present indefinite tense. So we call also present tense and present definite tense. Okay, so it tells us that the action is done. Observe the following sentences. Look at here. I learn my lesson. That is an affirmative sentence. That is a simple sentence. Okay, simple sentence is called an affirmative sentence. I don't learn my lesson. I do not learn my lesson. And contrast is I don't learn my lesson. So it's indicate to negative tense. Okay, negative present tense. Do I learn my lesson? Interrogative. Do I not learn my lesson? Negative interrogative. The peon rings the bell. Affirmative. The peon does not ring the bell. That is a negative. Why we have to use here does here? And in that I is a subject, so there is do, because we have to use in I, we, they, okay, you. So we have to only use do in the negative case and in interrogative case. But in the third person we have to use only does. Okay, and verb first form. Clear? So let's see. The peon does not ring the bell. Does the peon ring the bell? That is an interrogative. Does the peon not ring the bell? Does the peon not ring the bell? कि वो क्या है, bell नहीं बजाता है. Okay, क्या वह बेल बजाता है, क्या वह बेल नहीं बजाता है. पियोन बेल नहीं बजाता है, पियोन बेल बजाता है. So formation here given I, we, you, they. So here in the present negative case is a verb first form. Okay, he, she, it, then verb first form, and then ses according to the sentence, according to the subject. I, we, you, they. Okay, do not, does not is do not, So do not we have to use I, we, you, they, and he, she, it. There we have to use does not, verb first form, then object. Okay, let's see next one. In here in the do. So do I, we, you, they. Okay, verb first form, then object. Does, he, she, it. Subject, then verb first form, then object. Okay, in negative case do. So these are formation given here, so you have to repetition about this formation. Clear? Let's see what is the affirmative. Affirmative sentence is I sing a song, we take a tea. Okay, we take tea, he goes to school, it rains, the girls dance. So here a affirmative. Okay, and negative, I do not sing a song, we do not take tea, he does not go to school, it doesn't rain, the girls do not dance. Okay, the girls is a plural thing, so that's why do not we have to use here. But here the girl, so a girl doesn't dance, like this. Interrogative, do I sing a song, do we take tea, does he go to school, does it rain, do the girls dance. Okay, so here a affirmative and negative I interrogative. So negative interrogative and I. As for subject, O for object, EP means extension of predicate. जो predicate होता है that is called a EP. Simple past tense and past indefinite tense. It tells us that the action was done in the past time को क्या करता है, show करता है. ठीक है, जब हो जाता है. Like I sang a song, मैं क्या हूँ, मैंने गाना गाया. I did not sing a song, मैंने गाना नहीं गाया. Did I sing a song, क्या मैंने गाना गाया. We took tea, हम चाय पीते, हमने चाय पी. ठीक है. We did not take tea, हमने नहीं पी. Did we take tea, क्या हमने पी. He went to school, he went to school, वह स्कूल गया था. He did not go to school, वह स्कूल नहीं गया था. Did he go to school, क्या वह स्कूल गया था. It rained, it did not rain, did it rain. The girls danced, the girls did not dance. Did the girls not dance. Okay, simple future and future indefinite tense. So the future indefinite tense tell us about an action that is still to take place. Like formation, what is the formation given here? I, we, shall, verb first form, object. Okay, and extension of predicate. Other subject plus will plus verb first form plus object plus extension predicate. In negative case, okay, subject plus shall not or will not. Okay, then verb first form, object and extension of predicate. Clear? So these are given formation here, like shall or will according to the subject. Negative interrogative. Okay, here is affirmative sentence. I shall sing a song, we shall take tea, he will go to school, it will rain, the girls will dance. Model sentences. Negative, I shall not sing a song, we shall not take tea, he will not go to school, it will not rain, the girls will not dance. Shall I not sing a song, shall we take tea, will he go to school, will it not rain, will the girls not dance. Okay, so here these all are sentence here in future indefinite. Okay, like go, I shall sing a song, मैं एक गाना गाऊंगी. So that is a gaungi, gi sound there. Okay, the use of verb first. We use verb first in present indefinite tense. I play football. They help us in every way. So that's why we have to use a verb one, because they and I is a second person. Okay, we want to talk about things we do again and again or as a habit or a custom के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, इसको यूज करते हैं. The dogs barks at the strangers. Dogs पे भौंकता है, strangers पे भौंकता है. My uncle drinks daily. मेरे अंकल रोज पीते हैं. The Hinduism burn their dead. So we use verb फर्स्ट फॉर्म टू टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स दैट आर जनरली ट्रू. जो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड होते हैं जिसमें फैक्ट्स होते हैं जो ट्रू होते हैं, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज अ वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. ओके, प्रेजेंट डेफिनेट. द अर्थ मूव्स अराउंड द सन. द रोज स्मेल्स स्वीट. The light moves in a straight line. Beauty needs no ornament. Okay, we do, does, did in negative and interrogative sentences. There we have to use do, does, did. Okay, in negative case, in interrogative sentences. Okay, in interrogative cases. So do you take a bath? क्या आप नहाते हो? Does she tell a lie? क्या वो सच बोलती है? सी डज नॉट प्ले खो खो, वे खो खो नहीं खेलती है. यू डू नॉट फ्लाई अ काइट, तुमने पतंग नहीं उड़ाते हो तुम. डिड ही स्पीक द ट्रूथ, क्या उसने सच बोला. सी डिड नॉट कॉम हर ईयर, उसने अपने बाल नहीं बनाए. ओके, सो दीज ऑल आर sentence represent to the interrogative or negative sense. Okay, let's see next one. Okay, so it's enough for this video, and you have to repetition about this chapter more time. Okay, and as soon as possible you have to complete your assignment, and you have to send your assignment and email through. Okay, through an email. Okay, okay class, so we'll meet soon. Okay, bye everyone.